Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Node, JS 18 Plus and NPM must be installed because the plugin depends on modern JS features and package resolution. Once done, retrieve your Decentholograms API key and store it in an environment variable so you don't hardcode secrets. Next, run npm install Decentholograms. This adds the library to your project. Make sure package. JSON updates if it fails. Check network and registry settings. These steps put you in a position to configure the plugin. You now configure and integrate the plugin into your app because correct initialization determines runtime behavior. First, create Decent. Config, JS or read settings from process. Env, use clear names like Decent API KEY. Then initialize the client. Const client equals new DH. Client, API key, region, debug, false, so retries and region routing work. Once initialized, load your scene with client. Load scene, scene ID, and apply transforms and materials. This binds hologram assets to your render loop. Finally, test locally to confirm assets stream correctly. You finish by integrating the update loop and validating runtime behavior. Start your render loop and call client. Update each frame so holograms stay synced with scene transforms. Without that, visuals lag or detach. Enable logs with debug true and attach client. On error equals. To catch API or streaming issues. If things go wrong, first check CORS policies, API quota, and that scene ID matches asset versions. Often a mismatch or exhausted quota is the root cause, so adjust config or request more quota.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.